Feeling like you missed the Solana train? Or maybe you're looking to get a piece of the action and wondering how to do it safely and easily. Today, we're diving into the world of Gemini to show you just how simple it is to buy and trade Solana. Gemini is a well-known and regulated cryptocurrency exchange, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders. They've built a reputation for security and a user-friendly platform, and they've got Solana on the menu. So, let's get you set up. First, you'll need a Gemini account. It's a straightforward sign-up process, and once you're verified and have funded your account either through a bank transfer, debit card, or even another crypto transfer, you're ready to trade. On the Gemini platform, whether you're using the website or the mobile app, you'll find a Market tab. This is where you can see all the cryptocurrencies available for trading. Simply search for Solana or its ticker, SOL. When you click on Solana, you'll be taken to its dedicated page. Here you'll see charts, price history, and a trade button. Tapping that button will bring you to the order screen. For most people, a simple market order is the way to go. It buys or sells at the best available price right now. But if you're a bit more advanced, you can use a limit order to set a specific price you want to buy or sell at. Just enter the amount of Solana you want to buy, choose your payment method, review the details, and confirm the trade. It's really that simple. In a matter of seconds, you'll see Solana in your portfolio. Gemini also offers advanced features for those who want to get serious about trading. Their active trader platform has advanced charting, multiple order types, and lower fees for high-volume traders. You can also set up recurring buys to dollar cost average into your position, or even set up price alerts so you never miss a move. Plus, you can even stake your Solana on Gemini to earn passive income, which is a massive bonus. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, so always do your own research and only invest what you're comfortable losing. Gemini gives you the tools to trade securely, but you're in charge of your strategy. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.